Hello, my name is Yasmin Garcia Hernandez, and I will be talking about copper roofing systems. In terms of aesthetics and appeals, copper can simulate or replicate a historic appearance to any structure. They can develop a unique bluish, greenish, or patina over time. Copper can be installed as pre-measured panels, cut shingles, or riveted panels, and they are also recyclable, as copper roofing on industrial buildings can be sold to recycling companies after they are demolished to recoup some of the initial investment. In terms of functionality, copper is one of the most fireproof roofing materials on the market. It's also highly water resistant and is excellent at preventing rainwater from penetrating one's home. It lowers cooling costs for the building owner and reduces electrical energy usage. According to a study conducted by the Copper Development Association at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory, ventilated copper systems take advantage of convective heating and cooling by properly venting the system at the eaves and ridge. As air moves in through the eaves, it heats, rises, and is expelled through the ventilation at the roof ridge, controlling heat gain and yielding lower attic temperatures, keeping the building cooler and more energy efficient. And since it's a lightweight material, it also doesn't place an extreme amount of stress on the structure of one's property compared with tile and slate. When it comes to structural integrity and durability, like all metal roofing materials, copper is long-lasting with a life expectancy of at least 50 years and possibly surpassing 100. This far exceeds the expected lifespan of cheaper roofing materials. And since it is lightweight, it's because it's a lightweight material. It puts little stress on one's home's structural elements and foundation, helping owners avoid the costly problems associated with such stresses. When it comes to reactions and relationships, copper roofing can be noisy during storms. It tends to amplify weather noise rather than dampening it. Also, as temperatures change over the seasons, copper roofs can expand and contract significantly, and this can loosen the roof's fasteners. One would need to draw on the expertise of a skilled roofing contractor to prevent these kinds of problems, as there are technologies available to inhibit copper's natural expansion and contraction. One of the cons for wanting this material is that it's expensive. Copper can be between 4 and 15 times more expensive than traditional asphalt roofing. When it comes to incorporating glass into this kind of design, roof lanterns tend to be one that I think is actually very aesthetically pleasing to look at and very efficient in bringing light into one's home. Roof lanterns, by definition, I would say they are glass roof systems to provide the appeal of a traditional conservatory. They allow for flexibility in wall design and window placement, and they can be fabricated for pool enclosures, kitchens, sitting rooms, libraries, stairwells, and anywhere that natural light may enhance the aesthetic of one's home or business. And these are my sources.